Yo, what is up? What's going on with all you trout hunters out there? It's your boy Dave. And on today's episode, I want to be explaining to everybody on why I haven't been able to get out and produce any fishing content this week. I'm pretty sure you guys can already see. This is my eye right here. The whole side of my left face is completely swollen. No, I wasn't in a fight. No, I didn't get beat up. Now, I know that's going to be the first thing in my comments. Y'all going to be like, oh, you got beat up. You got beat up. Somebody took your fishing spot full. Nah, it ain't nothing like that, y'all. What actually happened was I had a really bad cavity in my top left molar, and I just kept putting it off and putting it off. And to be honest, that was not the smartest decision I've ever made. It's actually probably one of the dumbest, because I cannot see out of my left eye. So, kids, teenagers, even you adults, man, brush your teeth and stay away from the candies, man. Stay away from those sweets. It is no joke, unless you want to look like this guy. You want to look like this guy? I don't want to look like this guy. But anyways, man, I'm going to be taking you guys along with me over here to the dentist. We're going to see what them fools got to say, because I've already been on amoxicillin for 6 days, and I'm not seeing no progression. When I wake up in the morning, my eyes completely swollen shut. So, let's go see what these professionals got to say about my face, huh? Alright, everybody. So I just left the dentist. They said there's nothing they can do. They're going to send me to the emergency room. And, that sucks, guys. You know, I really thought these guys were professionals. They're dentists. I really thought these guys were going to be able to help me out. I've already been to the urgent care. I've already been to the dentist. Alright, everybody. Made it to the emergency room. And got me over here looking like a dang mummy. I've been sticked and poked in every vein you guys can imagine. So, they just did a CT scan on my face. Well, on my entire head. And they found out that it is an abscess that I have right here in my face. They're saying I need to get a tooth pulled and it needs to be drained. And I'm just sitting right here waiting for them to get off the phone with some kind of specialist. All I gotta say, guys, is take care of your teeth, man. You won't be able to go fishing with your face swollen like this. But I'll tell you what, as soon as we get out of here, we're back on that water, baby. That hunt's always on. Yo, what is up? What's going on, everybody? Your boy just pulled up to the specialist. I believe they're gonna put me under. They're gonna extract this molar, and they're gonna drain all of this abscessed pus from out of my face. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do any fishing today, so hopefully tomorrow we'll be able to get out into the water. Oh, hey. What's up, guys? I wasn't penning my rod. What are you guys talking about? That's weird. I wouldn't do that. Please. I just got home from the facial surgeon, and, they told me it was an abscess that I had up there in the face. They did remove the tube, and now I got this tube sticking out of my gum on this side up to about right here in my face. Supposedly gonna drain it, so I'm gonna be out of commission. Won't be able to be out fishing for the next about 5 days. God. Oh, and he popped off on me. Got him. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about, baby. Check him out, baby. Woo! Both those hooks in his face. Check it out, both of them. Right there. On that Booyah Pad Crusher. I'm telling you. It's that white with the yellow on the belly. Look at that beautiful, beautiful bass. Ooh. Alright, guys. We're going to get some pictures of this guy for the gram, and then we're going to let him go. Catch and release all day, baby. Got him. No, he spit it out on me. I think I got one.
Yep. Oh, wow. He hit that thing on the fall, guys. I didn't even know he was on there. On the Senko, baby. Come on, buddy. Check out all them weeds over there. Jesus. Oh, buddy, you're all types of wrapped up. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Made him feel like he was like a 5-pounder. Right there on that 4-inch Senko, guys. Man, these eagle claw hooks are freaking amazingly good. Look at how chubby he is, boy. Oh, babe's calling.
Yo, what's up? What's going on, everybody? That's going to be it for me for the day. As you guys know from the beginning of the video, I just had facial surgery yesterday. I still got this tube sticking out of my face. And, you know, I've just been itching to get out and go fishing. And I know it's been a while since I've had any content posted for you guys. I apologize about that. And I just want to say thank you for all your guys' support. And for you guys still sticking with me. You know what I mean? But while I was out there fishing, I wasn't feeling good. I started getting really, really nauseous. And I wasn't sure if it was from the medication I'm taking or if it's from this stuff draining out of my face. But I just figured for my own health and my own well-being that I'll call it quits and just come home. You know what I mean? I was once told by an old wise man that in this life you're only guaranteed 2 things. And that's going to be your time and your health. If you don't got good health, you don't got much time, guys. So take care of yourselves. It's very important. You know what I mean? Even something simple like this can be the end of you if you don't take care of it. And you know, like me, I tried to put it off, like I said, and it just got worse, guys. And now I'm dealing with the consequences. But you know, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram already, you guys can go ahead and do that. It's going to be trout.hunters with a Z. But yeah, you guys can follow me on there for my full recovery. But until this face heals up and everything, I don't think I'm going to be getting out for a couple of days. You know, unless I just get that itch to feel a tug. Because you guys know, man, it's like a drug, man, getting them fish. But that's going to be it for me. I'm going to make myself some soup. And then, well, my beautiful wife's in there making me some soup right now. Thank you, babe. You're welcome. And I'm going to take this medication. I'm going to try to, you know, just get some rest, guys. But just want to say again, thank you for all your guys' support and sticking with me through this time. You know what I mean? And God bless you all, man. Stay safe out there. It's dangerous, man.